You've heard about Silverlight and are ready to start learning this new UI platform. But first, you need to install some tools on your developer computer. In this movie, I will show you how to set up your computer so that you can create Silverlight 5 applications. Any developer working in the Microsoft world should install Visual Studio. It is considered the premier development tool. There are many versions of Visual Studio available: Professional, Premium, and Ultimate. These versions cover a wide price range, with the higher priced versions containing more tools. Any version is suited for Silverlight development. You will need about an hour to install Visual Studio. You can find information and downloadable versions at this link location. You can pause the video and copy down the link if you want to visit the site. After installing Visual Studio, you should also install the Silverlight tools for Visual Studio. These tools configure Visual Studio to work with Silverlight applications. The reason you have to install this additional piece is that Silverlight 5 shipped after Visual Studio 2010. The default install of Visual Studio has templates for Silverlight 3 and Silverlight 4. To get the latest features, be sure and install this additional toolset. When you install the Silverlight 5 update, you also get the latest service pack of .NET RIA services. This toolset simplifies connecting to services on the server by creating client proxies on your behalf. If you don't have a paid license for Visual Studio, you can install the Visual Web Developer Express Edition. This is a free version of Visual Studio that can create Silverlight applications and other web projects like ASP.NET and HTML pages. It is installed via the new Web Platform Installer, which is the latest installer technology to emerge from Microsoft. Web Platform Installer provides a single location for installing any tools needed for web development. Web Platform Installer installs the Silverlight SDK, Web Express IDE, and many more tools. You won't get a database server with Web Express, but there is a free SQL Server Express for DB development. Microsoft also has a set of designer tools. I recommend that you install Expression Blend. Blend is the best visual design tool for crafting Silverlight interfaces. At the time of this recording, you have to install Expression Blend Preview for Silverlight 5. My sources at Microsoft tell me that a new version that supports Silverlight 5 will be available at some future date. Blend is marketed more towards UX designers, but I strongly believe that it is an essential tool for developers. It's available through your MSDN subscription or other Microsoft channels. The link on this slide shows where you can find a free evaluation version. If you want to try the awesome 3D features in Silverlight 5, you need to install the XNA Game Studio. Be sure and install version 4.0. As soon as you have these tools installed on your computer, you are ready to continue this course.